Now, as you can see on the screen right now, the price of Bitcoin is down a little bit today, Ethereum down a little bit today, and the overall cryptocurrency market pulling back a little bit. But we're going to go over some statistics that show you that retail investors could be returning, and we could see a major rally. Now, we know what retail investors buy the most, and that's the smaller cryptocurrencies out there, the meme coins, the brand new ones, the ones with small market caps that explode higher in price as the retail FOMO kicks in, and I've got one to look at in this video. If you guys have not seen PlayDoge yet, you absolutely need to check it out. That's what we're going to be doing, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got PlayDoge on the screen. Now, if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you use the link in the description below to pull it up, connect your wallet, make that purchase. But let's go over a few statistics first. Now, the first one that I want to look at is the Fear and Greed Index. As you can see, we are currently at a level, at a neutral level at 55. The higher this goes into the green, the more and more retail investors seem to be buying. The higher this goes into the red, the more and more retail investors seem to be selling. Right now, a little bit of confusion. This could be an excellent time to buy the dip. Why? Because people aren't necessarily selling off. This is not a fearful situation. We are currently experiencing just a dip in the overall price of the cryptocurrency market, but we need to go over another statistic, and that is the Google Trend Analytics for the word crypto. The amount of people searching for crypto right now is at bear market lows. It's at a level of 13, as you can see. And just scrolling through this previous bear market, you can see that during the lows of 2022, cryptocurrency was higher searched than it is now. There were little spikes that brought us back up, but we leveled off at a level of about 14, 15. Yet the search term for crypto is pulling in at a level of 13 right now, which means that retail investors are nowhere to be found. But when they return, and oh, they will return, prices soar higher. And it's the tiny little tokens like PlayDoge that typically see the largest gains. Why? Because they have the smallest market caps. They offer the most potential and the most return for retail investors, and they understand that. And that's why they're willing to go out there and buy. So if you guys want to load up right now, 5 Ethereum is going to let you walk away with 3.4 million PlayDoge. If you would prefer to buy with BNB and earn staking rewards, you can buy 10 BNB worth, and you're going to be walking away with 1.1 million PlayDoge. So why are retail investors so interested in this token? Well, number one, it's a play-to-earn Doge companion game. These guys are building a Tamagotchi-style app that you're going to be able to download on both iOS and Android. You're going to be able to feed, entertain, train, and ensure your pet gets enough sleep. And you're going to be able to earn PlayDoge while you're doing it. You're going to relive the 90s nostalgia and earn crypto along the way. Guys, I couldn't think of a better demographic to hit than those that are intrigued by 90s nostalgia. Think about it. I know who I'm talking to out there, and I know that you're intrigued by 90s nostalgia. How do I know that? I understand the cryptocurrency demographic. So do these guys over here at PlayDoge, which is why during a slump in the overall crypto market, think about it, guys, for the last 3 to 4 weeks, cryptocurrency prices have been steady at best, falling at worst. But yet these guys have been able to raise $4.6 million in the PlayDoge pre-sale. They're doing it because they understand the market. Now, to go through and get a couple more questions answered, you can take a look at their roadmap and understand that in stage 4 is when you're going to have the community airdrops, mini games launching, and the PlayDoge app is finally being released. The mini games, these little retro-style arcade games that I know look very fun to you, are going to be available on this app. Now, moving through, if you want to take a look at the tokenomics, you can see that 50% set aside for the pre-sale, 6.5% for community rewards, 11.5% for liquidity, 10% to marketing, 10% to project funds, and 12% for staking rewards. Guys, if you're interested in staking PlayDoge, you can currently earn 82% annualized interest, and there have already been 230 million PlayDoge staked. People are buying, and they're buying for the long term. Now, scrolling down to the bottom of their website, you can see that they do have a frequently asked questions page, and I urge you to get your questions answered before buying in. One of the ones that I see most often asked, when can you claim your PlayDoge tokens? Now, once the pre-sale concludes, all buyers are going to be able to claim their pre-sale or their PlayDoge tokens, and you're going to be able to do so on the Binance Smart Chain or the BNB blockchain. When does the pre-sale end? It's currently slated for 40 stages or 40 price increases, because the price is going to increase either every time this timer ticks down, so you get 16 hours until the price increases, or of course if this threshold is met. There's roughly 9 to 10 price increases so far, so we're about a quarter of the way through. Now, if your last thing I want to check is out on their X account, and you can see that they continue to grow very, very fast, nearly passing 5,000 followers already, and doing very well in terms of engagement. 3,000 impressions, 1.1 thousand, 1.7 thousand, 3.6 thousand, 4.1 thousand. You can see that these guys are growing, even though the market is not growing right now, which means that not only are they doing something right, they're doing something better than the rest. I've bought into PlayDoge. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are buying into PlayDoge. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.